Hi, this is Fred Zeglin with Z-Hat Publishing. I wanted to show you a couple titles that we picked up not too long ago. These are both written by S.L. Mays. He's a longtime stockmaker and checkerer, and so as the title implies, this is a great book for somebody who's trying to get into making stocks. It covers a lot of information having to do with shotgun stocks. There's a lot of good color illustrations. He shows tools. He talks about his methods. The fact that they're shotgun stocks doesn't mean much of anything. Two-piece stocks are actually probably a little easier from a gunsmithing standpoint, but the techniques and the methodology that are used to form the wood and set it up properly are the same regardless. So a really good book for somebody who wants to learn stock making. And then the other book that he did for us is called Checkering, and it's also for the beginner. And checkering, basically, if you've ever tried it, it's the kind of thing that you can learn the basics of checkering in about 10 minutes. It takes a lifetime to become an expert. And so this same gentleman did lots of good photography showing how he does things, talking about tools, layout. You know, it's just a wealth of information all compiled into a nice, easy package for you. And there's so much to learn about checkering, but like I say, it's a lifetime to master. It's just a quick start. So these are great books for people who are wanting to get into these subjects, and I would like to point out to you that they're available on Amazon, and you can also find them at 4D Reamer Rentals.